folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome to the show. We are back. Let me turn on a little background. Background jams. Turn it down a bit so it's not blowing up the... What up? Welcome. If you're new here, welcome to the show. I'm Lord Bankz. We're live streaming on TRADINGNUT channel. We are taking the Blue Guardian 100K challenge. We are currently, I don't know how many days have we been doing this. We're down 2.4%. We've been trading this for 64 days now. Last 2 weeks we had kind of like a really horrible fucking London sessions. Hit a string of L's here. Bringing it back up, down 2.4%, and we're looking at gold right now for potential trade. GJ, well, actually GJ doesn't look too bad. Let's see what GJ has to say. This is on the 15-minute. I honestly should have been right there. I don't really have a top level besides this. And this is only valid if we get level of resistance coming in. Yeah, so I'll be trading the Blue Guardian challenge. So whenever I enter a trade, I'll be letting you guys the lot size, the risk percentage, and all that good stuff for those that choose to follow us along. If you missed us during New York session, we had a phenomenal trade here. US 30, she ended up going for 140 points, which is like 1,400 pips, depending on your broker's contract size. Beautiful trade. She did come down into drawdown a bit, but he came back up and ended up paying out nicely. Yesterday's gold trade was crap. We were looking for sells here. We had to get off at 4. We jumped off right here. When it came back into profits, I ended up just closing out, and then it ended up reversing, pushing up to the upside during New York session. Right now, it looks like there's a little consolidation here. She's pushing up a bit. I don't really want to, this doesn't look good for me as a breakout to get in just because of all the choppiness and all the wicks. I don't really like it. So I'm kind of just holding off. To be honest, on my higher time frame analysis, this is where I'm looking for potential sells. So it's getting into that zone, and I think from where price is currently at, we are about 25 pips away from it. We could definitely catch a quick scout buy for the 25 pips, but I really want to wait for the market a little bit. Let's look at the news. So we're good till 7:30. We have USD news. So New York session. Be aware of that. I do have a trade still on for USD, Euro USD. I sent this out yesterday. I'm showing you guys. I sent this out to my VIP, but I shared it with the free Telegram. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys now. It's almost at TP2 here. First entry was at the first yellow dash line. Second entry was at the second one. So this was a nice trade as well. It already hit TP1, so everyone should at the bare minimum move their stops to break even, take partials, and you can do so as it moves up. That trade is still running. Just FYI. Yeah, so I streamed. Actually, I didn't stream this on YouTube, but I sent out the Zoom link on the Telegram. So if you guys aren't in my free Telegram, make sure you're going to this link, jumping in there. I'm sharing. I send out free signals there and breakdown videos, links to Zooms to do live sessions. I've been doing the New York session via Zoom. It's a really nice trade for us. It ended up being like 1,400 pips. That was this morning. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna look at. And this thing is just dropping. Oh, good morning. Oh. Yeah, I'm only trading GJ and gold. GJ doesn't look bad today. I think if we get a nice pullback here, we might have a nice buying opportunity. Really, I probably want to see it come in this area. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I was thinking earlier. I think it hit around 19. Yeah, once I saw this cross 1915 and come back, I was looking for potential sells, and then it just kept climbing up, and it still climbed up. I think that we'll probably get a reversal soon, kind of how this kind of corrected all this liquidity. And watch, I'll show you on a. So this is essentially what we're looking at. Remember yesterday we were talking about taking out the highs, the lows, and pushing back into this zone before we get rejection and then push to the downside. So it's moving into the zone right now, right? So this is on a higher time frame of the daily. We have about 25 pips to get into it. Doesn't mean it's going to touch this and then just completely melt, right? So we want to see it price get into here, see how price reacts in here, what starts developing, because it could just be a wick, right? And then come and start creating the bottom wick. It would be nice. Yeah, so after yesterday's gold trade, I just closed out with very little profit there. Ended up coming back and this was not till like almost New York session. Then we had the Euro USD trade that I sent out to the Telegram here. This one, there was two positions here, 1 and 2, hit TP1. It's about to hit TP2. And then New York session, we had this really nice US 30 trade for 140 points. So that was a win there. I wouldn't count this as 2 wins, but there was 2 positions here. This was another win. And then this one, I wouldn't really count it as a win, but I didn't lose. So that was good. Yeah, because we had a rough week last week. Last week was just, ugh. I feel like I got beat up in the markets. So that's just a recap of what we've been through this week. Today is Thursday. So today will be our last trading day of the week. And then we'll be back next week. I'll be live for New York as well. And I'll send out the link via Telegram. See what we see. Yeah, I kind of want this to dip down some more and see it kind of like break and retest structure. I mean, because she's moving up overall, right? And she's been moving up for a while. But we have a little consolidation here. We have multiple price reactions in this area. Broke up to the upside. Now she's pulling back down. She's still within this range of the 15-minute breakout strategy, but within this range we have, it's about a 77 pip range, so feel like we can definitely make something happen there. I'm just going to pay attention to the price action developing here on these candles. See if we get anything. Patience is key. Patience is key. I got another trade coming too for VIP. I'm waiting for it. Price to trigger was like 15 pips away. So just a heads up, it might trigger while we're on the live. And if it does, I'll send it out to the Telegram. So I'm just looking at this overall price structure. You see that overall we're bearish, right? This was a pullback into this zone, fell down here, creating the new low. Here's a pullback. This zone is where I was looking for, where I'll be looking for sells. But this zone alone, I mean, we're talking about this is 170 pips. So it's a bit of a range, right? And like I was saying earlier, this doesn't mean as soon as it gets to this line, like I don't place limit orders, or stop orders, pending orders. Like I don't do that. So it's not like price reaches here and I sell it off, right? I need this candle to come in here, touch here, react in here, do stuff. I need to read price action. Like I'll move down to smaller time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, and I'll pay attention to the market structure that's developing, right? Are we facing rejections? Are we getting a lot of wicks, price exhaustion, price reversal, potential price reversal? Is it stalling out? Is it consolidating? Is it ranging? Where are we as far as time? What session are we in? Are we in a session with volume? Or are we not? Are we in between sessions? All of that goes into that. Is there news coming out? All of that goes into, reading price action, seeing what price is doing, but I want it to be in this zone. And then I look to the left as well to see how it matches up with what's on the left side, right? Now, if I start seeing price rejection, potential price reversal, dojis, bearish engulfing, creating market structure to the downside, that's what I want to see for me to feel comfortable taking sells. I just want to be alerted that in this area, this is where I want to be looking for that, right? So it doesn't necessarily mean, oh, we're jumping into sells right at this area. Just means that that's where I'll be looking for it. Ooh, look at this. Let's pay attention to this real quick. We got 10 seconds left on. It came back into the zone. I want to see, do we get any kind of price reversal indication? Because this would be sweet to ride this baby right back up. We might have a trade here. Just be patient. And this will be lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We got about 38 minutes before London Open. Ideally, it would be nice to see like a bullish doji followed by a bullish engulfing. Would be nice. But I'm thinking it's probably best if it pushes down a bit more and wicks up, so we can have that nice rejection confirmation. The biggest Forex streamer, Don Vo, is down bad with his gold sells, combined 90 lots at almost 6 figures deep drawdown. Damn. That sucks. Maybe he's swinging it. Wait, how is this the biggest Forex streamer? I've never heard of him. I guess I'm out of touch. There's always somebody new coming up. But they're supposedly the biggest and the best. You know what I think is more measurable is longevity. People that are still around 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. Yeah, it's usually 4,000 viewers live. Nice. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had like 4,000 viewers live. Maybe just a few hundred. I think if I like was more consistent with like posting content and stuff, then maybe I could like have like a lot of viewers and whatnot. But I don't know, man. I just I'm just busy sometimes. I guess I just don't make it a priority, right? Like that whole aspect of it. I'd rather just trade and stay unknown. You know? I like my privacy. So there's no wicks to the bottoms. We're getting this little bullish engulfing. We still got almost 4 minutes, so could just wick and come down. But let's pay attention. GJ is going down to 157. Damn, homeboy got it down to the number. 157.43, bro. We're in 184. You're talking it's gonna drop like, I mean, that's a massive drop, bro. We're talking about prices. Shit, we'd probably have to. 150. What did you say? 57 from prices back in February. Just about. I mean, that's not happening tonight. I know that's not gonna happen tonight. There's no way. Ain't no way, homie. Not tonight. Maybe if you're swinging it for the next 60 days or some shit. I don't know, man. Before it goes down 30,000 pips, let me just catch a quick 30 pips right here. Got about a minute and 40 seconds. Yeah, if this thing closes bullish engulfing, I'm gonna jump in and a buy. Do a little 15 pip stop. 15 pip stop. Yeah, because that puts us under the trend line, under the zone, and at the wicks. Let's see how it closes though. Start looking at EJ. Oh, EJ. I was like, yeah, I don't remember the last time I looked at EJ. It's been a while. Why hasn't London session started yet? Well, Bankz open in 30 minutes. It's like 7:30 a.m. London time. Got 30 seconds here. Should calculate risk, guys. Calculate risk for GJ. Oh. Tripping. It closed like right at the 97. 2.36. And I'm going to take a buy here, guys. I'm going to take a buy on GJ. Taking a buy on GJ. What's my entry? Fuck. Okay. Okay. Sorry. 184.46. My TP1 is right here. We are in buys on GJ, guys. Voice is going out. Jesus. Haven't taken a GJ trade in a while. Don't fail me now, baby. Don't fail me now. PP2. Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. The GJ win ratio is 20%. Fuck, dude. Dude, honestly, GJ's been like something to avoid for the past like month, bro. So like I wouldn't even judge you on that. Like when GJ is trending nicely, bro, she pays the bills. Like like I'm telling you, I've had my most consistent times trading GJ. That's why I never, she may toy with my emotions, and it's like that toxic relationship, you know what I'm saying? Like it's like, you should probably stay away, but you just keep coming back, man. You just, something about it is just like, man, can't give it up, can't let it go. Just gotta keep coming back for more. Yes, please, can I have another? You know what I'm saying, man? Like 2.36 lots. Look at it this way, bro. If you lose on this GJ trade, we lose together, bro. Together. That way you're not by yourself. Probably not what you want to hear, but we in this together, partner. We in this together. All right, man. Everything's on the screen, so gold is looking ugly right there. I like this price action movement, break and retest. Had a little bullish indication here, so we went ahead and took that, jumped in. Let's let this play out. Okay. She's in a little bit of profit. Sweet. GJ needs some milk. We in this together, baby. Yeah, she's like 3 pips in profit. Nothing too extreme, but she's moving there. She's moving. She's moving. Now there ain't no if, it's when it works, baby. TP1 incoming. Watch. GJ's gonna play nice today. She's gonna play real nice. Come on, baby. Give me what you got. Yeah, I feel like jamming some jams. Football season is coming back in a couple of weeks. Oh, I did enter that on my personal holiday. Then I enter the stops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got 20 minutes before London Open. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. What? That's crazy. All right, we got about 15 minutes before London Open. Oh, come on now. On drawdown. She's just gonna melt on us. What is you doing? She's not paying the bills today. Chill, bro. Chill. Give her some breathing room. Oh, she's about to stop me out. She's literally pips away. Don't do it. Super close. She's super close. Pull back up, baby. Pull back up. Oof. She's right there. Stop me out. Awesome. So she's just gonna fly all the way back down, or what? Is that what you're gonna do, GJ? What is gold doing? Nothing. Damn, she's still melting. Sheesh. I don't think I'm gonna second chance it. This doesn't look good. Massive 1 hour candle. Then a 4 hour. Interesting. I think we're just a little too early here. I think gold is going to pop up some more before it shorts. I'm looking for shorts in this zone. Right now, it's still kind of consolidating. This thing is still melting. Just trying to see if we get a second chance trade, but she's just pushing down. We got London open here in 5 minutes, so let's wait and see. Wait and see what she does. Oh. We get rejection and a doji here. With the bullish engulfing, we can get some confirmation and go back up. We'll see. Nope. She's still melting. Got about a minute and 15 seconds before London open. She's got a lot of volume to the downside. Now she's showing that. Nice. Nice. Way to go, GJ. After you knock me out. Yeah, usually for the most part, I'm almost always good on the direction, just a little too early sometimes. So this is why we do second chances. See where this candle closes. If we get that bullish confirmation, then I'll take another long. It'll be my second trade of the day. Put our stops below here. About 15 pips. We got about a minute and 40 seconds, guys. Minute and 40 seconds. It's looking like we're going to jump in for a second chance trade here for a buy. So pay attention. Pay attention. 50 seconds. Twenty seconds. That's crazy, that thing. All right, I'm going to go ahead and jump in, guys. Jumping in a buy, 2.35 lots. This is jumping in here. It's going to be 235. 235. Entry is at 184,346. Wait, what the hell? What just happened here? Did I mark this wrong? 184,346. 6. Okay, there we go. Nine six, yeah, got it. Got it. 2. Okay. Stops is 24,196. 96 is entry. TP1 is 184,496. TP2 is 184,646. Four seven nine six. There is GJ. She is good to go. We are in our second chance trade on GJ. this up before I forget. I should probably set this stop loss. That's crazy. Guys, I'm not going over Euro USD. This is a trade that I sent out on Telegram. It was for my VIP, but I send out one freebie trade a week to the free Telegram, so I shared it to the free Telegram. It already hit TP1. It was like pips away from hitting TP2. It's pulled back. I mean, these should be at break even. You should have taken partials at TP1 and let the runner do its thing. So I'm not going over the Euro USD trade. Gold is consolidating. Not messing with gold. This is a nice setup. Like, we got in here. It was a little too early. She came down, gave us a confirmation here. Rejection wick, bullish engulfing. Beautiful. Entered. And just let it play out. If she comes and hits stops, well, she was in our trade. We lost. It's just the way the game is. Like, you're going to take some L's. She's coming down. Might hit 2 back-to-back L's here. If she doesn't, then I'm done for the day. Just 2 trades. If I hit 2 L's, and I'm done. Come on, baby. Pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. She's back to break even, guys. So those of you that are scared, get out. If you're scared, be quiet and get out. Go to church if you're scared. That was your chance. Don't say I didn't warn you. I'm still in. I got a bad feeling about this. Get out, bro. I mean, she's in profit like 2 pips. She's right around entry. Go ahead, jump out if you're scared. Oh. You know what I've been noticing is that the candle switches before the time is up. Like, watch this candle. I mean, there's 4 minutes left on this candle, but She said entry, guys. Here's your chance to get out. I'm scared. Oh man. Look at this candle and see the time here, 45 seconds. Watch, there's going to be 3 seconds left and it's going to move to the next candle. Look at this. 30 seconds. 25. See, look, 4 seconds and it's on the next candle. It says 5 minutes and 3 seconds. When it should be a 5-minute candle, it should be 5 even. That's weird, isn't it? She's up like 3-4 pips, guys. If you're still scared, get out. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the show. Oh man, you guys cracked me up. What is this? Hello from South Africa. What's good? What's good? We are down on the challenge. 2.746. And gold's pushing back up. How do you trade a 100K account without expert advisor? I mean, it would just be manually trading, like you taking buys and sells yourself. The EAs, you can turn them on and off, or just delete them from your MetaTrader. Slippage with Blue Guardian, maybe not slippage, but I heard some people having issues with the spreads on 8-cap. But I mean, I think it's pretty normal, the spreads that you'll find. That's why I tell you guys, like with these numbers, this is just so you can visually see it here, but you should be focused on the candles and their position on your broker, because there's going to be a slight variance on the price. She's up 7 pips, halfway to TP1. I just have seen a few comments getting vanished of other individuals. I don't know what you mean. Took 20 pips from 184.2. Good night. Nice. Quick 20 pips. That's all you need, man. quick 20 pips. Yeah, TP1, I'm going to take 80% and adjust stops to break even. That's my plan. We're almost there. Just be patient. Almost there. Just up 11 pips, 12 pips, like 3 pips away, 13, 2 pips away. Come on, baby. Reach up there. You got it. You got it. Ooh, she's like 1.5 pips away. Ooh, 1 pip away. There we go. Half a pip away. Hit it, baby. Hit it. Oh, come on now. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh. One little push. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my stops to break even because I'm not gonna be risking capital for a spread. So go ahead and adjust that, just so I don't risk any capital. As soon as that triggers, I'll go ahead and take partial. There we go. There is our TP1. Make sure you're taking partials. I'm going to go ahead and close 80% of my position of 235. That's a 188. So go ahead and close that out. And I'll leave the rest to run. That's a win. That is a win. All right. Partials taken. Partials taken. Take partials here. and she's pushing up. So this is sometimes why we take our second chances. Sometimes we'll have a week where the market's not that great, and I'll just be taking one trade. But my rule has always been consistent with 2 trades. If I take one, I can take a second chance. If I win 2, I can take a third if there's a high probability setup. If I lose 1, I can take that second chance. If I lose 2, then I'm done for the session. So here, the reason I took that second chance is just reading the price here, seeing that this bullish candle met the previous candle. I kind of just jumped in a little too early, seeing that it was in the zone, seeing that it was wicking up, breaking the highs is kind of what got me to jump in. So I jumped in. It was just too early. And I have trades like that where I'm rarely wrong. Sometimes I'm just too early. So I let price develop, seeing it come down, wick in this rejection I really liked. That's essentially what I was looking for originally over here. And then seeing this nice volume candle, bullish engulfing, that as soon as this candle closed like that, that's where I got in. Right? We did have a little bit of a pullback, but the direction is still the same. The 15 pip stop right here, I really wanted it to be underneath this wick, but it was kind of tight. But by the time I calculated everything and jumped in, I wasn't going to adjust my stops. It'll mess with my risk management. So just kind of a little explanation on what is happening here and how I jumped in and why I did that. Hopefully that clears up any questions or confusions. So this is on the 5-minute time frame. We usually do a breakout, use our breakout strategy or my breakout strategy for the London session. But we've been having a lot of times where we have this huge range and we have a nice break and retest on the 5-minute. So I've been jumping down on the 5-minute and executing those. So technically this is still within this range, but like we measured at the beginning, if you were here from the beginning, this is actually 77 pips. So in 77 pips, like I can certainly catch 10, 15, 20 pips. And that's my goal in doing these lives. We're scalping and we're just looking to catch a small move, right? Just a quick in and out. This is what we're looking for. This was a beautiful trade. Unfortunately, we kind of jumped the gun a little bit here and took this L at the beginning, but we came back with this one, and this is exactly how I wanted it to play out, right? So for the challenge where we're at right now, 2.5, and well, we have a runner running, right? So 2.5%, that's what we're currently down. We have this runner. I honestly think that GJ could go a lot higher than this. I think it'll come up to about 185 area, because that's just what GJ's been doing. If we look at it on the higher time frame, you can see here that it's in this consolidation range. This was news that it jumped out of, popped back into it, tested the trend line, popped back into it, continued to range, popped out, came back and is retesting here. So either it's flipped over, turning around, and it's going to come and test the trend line, test the bottom of this range, or this is a retest and it's going to continue to go up. And the reason I'm erring on the side that it's going to continue going up is because, I mean, the higher time frame trend is to the upside. So we just keep riding it up as long as it keeps going up. And for gold, I think I need to see it jump up a little bit more before I start selling it off, because I do believe it's a pullback from this push down. So I want to see price in here and see how it reacts before I commit to selling that. And right here, it's just been consolidating, so it wasn't anything nice to trade, hence why I took the GJ trade. Hopefully that clears that up. Sorry guys, I got like comments on multiple platforms, so I'm trying to do the best I can here. Check-in index is bullish, so GJ will fall. It doesn't matter now, I already hit TPs. Dang, imagine missing a W to go to church. For the people that went to church. Oh, the horns. Yeah, I forgot about the horns. That was for TP1. A little late, but got it. This is why you should ignore what people say in the chat and stick to your own analysis and bias. 100%, man. I mean, and I don't want to like just disregard people completely, but it's just like it doesn't matter what people say. I'm still gonna do what I do. I mean, like I think there was like quite a bit of people telling me to do something different and not to take a second chance trade, and oh, it's going down, and oh, check this because of that, and I really could care less. I appreciate, you know, everyone's opinion, but at the end of the day, like, you know, I'm gonna trade this how I see it. This isn't a community effort trading. You know, I'm just trading and I'm sharing with you guys. Maybe that's a good idea, right? Like maybe we should maybe I'll get another challenge account and we'll stream that, and we'll just do that with the community. Like whatever you guys say, I'll jump on and you guys tell me what to do. We'll take a vote on it, and whoever wins, like, we'll take that trade. See how it works out. imagine that work out better. That would be crazy. Let's see here. A prop firm for stocks? I'm not sure, but usually each prop firm, they have like some assets in there. Like you have to check what broker they're using and what assets are available to trade, because I know they'll have like the indices and cryptocurrencies. So I would assume some of them also offer like, you know, stocks, assets and stuff. But you'd have to check, man. To be honest, I'm not sure. I took gold buy from 1891. Can I hold for 1950? I don't know, bro. I mean, are you asking me? You should do whatever you want to do or whatever your analysis says. Yeah, 100%. I think some of the comments were for all the viewers sharing thoughts with each other, not so much telling you how to trade your trade. Well, at least that's what my comments were for. But we appreciate you very much. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I mean, no, 100%. Like, that's why I don't really take any of it personal. So, like, half the stuff I miss, because there's like comments here, there's comments that come in on the Zoom for my VIP, and then there's comments on my channel that people are watching, which is the same broadcast. I don't know why there are multiple channels, but whatever, it is what it is. So I miss some, you know, and I mean, I'm not trying to, like, I'm not ignoring people. My first responsibility is to trade, because I mean, this is what I do for a living. And some of these trades on the London session, like I'll take them on my personal account as well. Like this GJ trade, I took both of these. I lost on this one, took on this one. I have a runner running on my personal account for this one. I have the Euro USD trade still running. This Euro USD trade still running on my personal account. So it's just like sometimes I'm focused on that and I don't get to see some of the comments. I think that, like, somebody asked a question. I heard that normally the month of August and September is difficult months. Is that true, or is it just a way of psychology thinking? I think it's more of a psychology thing. Not that it's difficult, but you got to understand what is happening in the months of August. Usually you're transitioning from, or at least in North America, right? Like going from summer back to a routine. Kids are going back to school. Summer vacations are over. Like you're a moment of transition. But usually for me, August and September is not too bad. About to hit TP2 over here. Online for New York. I was gonna do like the YouTube thing, but I'm just gonna do the Zoom because I like to listen to music. Like if you just go to my Telegram, like join my free Telegram. It's this link right here. Let me copy this so I can put it over here. And I'll send out the Zoom link in there because I normally just trade New York with my VIP. But since I'm like changing platforms and stuff, like I've been just sending out the VIP link, sharing it with the free Telegram. And I'll do that for tomorrow as well for New York session. So if you're in my Telegram, here's the link here. I'll send the link out in there. Yesterday we had this trade. It was a nice US 30 trade that we won on. That's what I trade during New York session. Just FYI. Yeah, the VIP giveaway. I need to do that. I keep forgetting, but I can't get to. For some reason, like I can't see all the comments through the desktop. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this thing. Yeah, it says there's only 9 comments, but I answered a bunch more than that. Like, I'm gonna figure that out today, and I'll send it out. Because I know I had done that giveaway last week, and I hadn't announced those winners. I mean, but here we're. I mean, I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm done. Like, we took this trade. We have a runner here. At TP2, I'll probably close more partials, probably like half of what's remaining, which is just a small position at this point. Yeah, I think that's what maybe that's why a lot of people don't, like a lot of traders, I'm thinking, like, don't trade live because they get like bombarded with everybody and everybody's opinion, you know? I feel like it takes a certain level of like EQ level just to stay in your own, because I mean, everybody has an opinion. You guys come in hot. like telling me to look at different charts and the correlation, and because there's a full moon out, and because SMC says this, and there's blocks of whatever here. And not that I'm knocking it, like if it works for you, it works for you. Great, like make money. I'm never gonna knock anybody making money unless you're like scamming people. But like, if you've been in this game as long as I've been in this game, like you'll understand the value of like what works for you doesn't necessarily mean it'll work for everybody else. I've had people where like I try to, hand hold like and teach them my strategy, and they don't find their success and groove until they focus on like maybe they're more of a swing trader, or a position size trader, or like a true swing trader. They're taking like 3 trades a month, and that works more for them. Like I usually have like 3 to 5 trades a week. And then there's some people that have like 20, 30 trades a week, Yeah, 100%. Yeah, especially like when you're taking an L in front of, I've taken an L in front of hundreds of people. I've seen like when I was doing the TikTok lives and on my channel and stuff, but that doesn't bother me. Like winning or losing doesn't bother me. Like what bothers me is did I do what I was supposed to do? Did I cause the L? You know what I'm saying? Because to me, I'm the control. Like I can only control what I do. You know what I'm saying? Like the market is going to do what it's going to do. So like, am I doing what I said I was going to do? Following the session, following the pairs, following what I know as far as market structure and price action and what I'm looking for, like that is for me where I'm like, okay, I was right or wrong on that. Like I care about that more than the wins and the losses, because eventually like my edge will play out. Like I'll be profitable, I'll make money, and I know that'll come as long as I stick to my parameters, right? Yeah, and I think I saw somebody in here was, I don't know, they said, oh, that I was revenge trading and I was taking a second trade, but I've always done that. Like I give myself 2 trades. That doesn't necessarily mean I always take them. I could see that last week, I think we only did like 1 trade per session, but because the market was shit, the market was moving weird as hell, and I chose that. But I don't know. I think that takes a special breed to be live, and then that's another thing too is, you're in here, I'm in here, like my main concern is actually trading, and people jump in at random times, and then people jump in and ask me to explain something that I literally just explained. And I understand that, you didn't hear or you weren't here from the beginning, but sometimes like I'm more focused on the price and the chart and what I'm trying to do than trying to go back and and start over from the beginning, or you get like completely newbie people that have no idea like what platform I'm using, what they're seeing in front of them, the markup, like the terminology, and that's even a whole nother issue. I think this thing is gonna pull back down. We got this long rejection wick that looks like it's gonna fail. Might just go ahead and close my little profits remaining. So I'm live Tuesday, Wednesday. I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's my schedule. I've hopped on a Monday or a Friday just to see how how price is moving sometimes, but normally my schedule is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This challenge, this Blue Guardian challenge that we're doing, I'm trading this during London session. We're still down 2.5%. So you could easily join us on this challenge and follow along, trade this during the London session. And then for New York, I go live right before NYSE open. And I've been doing that via Zoom with my VIP, but the last few New York sessions, I've shared them with my free Telegram so everybody can join, because I was going to do it on YouTube, but it's because YouTube blocks me off for music. I don't know. I just like to listen to music while I trade. And she's popping back up. Have you traded the US 30, US 500 before, and how can it be related to GJ? That's on now. Why does it have to be related to GJ, bro? Like US 30, yes, I trade US 30. And US 500, the S&P 500, I don't trade that. But that's an indice. You're talking about indices and currency, first of all. Second of all, like, I don't know, what is the obsession of trying to find a correlation? Like I understand the mechanics and the psychology behind, the dollar index and gold and the negative correlation. When one goes up, one goes down. And you can even take that and correlate it to AUD USD, or take the dollar pairs and know, gold going up, the dollar pairs usually will be going down, or going up as well, because if they're paired against the dollar, right? So I get that, but like the reason I answer like that is because I really would like it if you just focused on the pair that you want to trade and analyze it individually, because there's going to come a time where you're going to be so inclined that there's this correlation that you're going to take a trade because the market has to do something, right? You're like, oh, gold is going up, so the dollar has to go down, right? Or the dollar is going up and gold has to go down. Like, do you understand? Like, gold, like the market doesn't have to do anything, first of all. And in that moment that you feel extra confident because there's a correlation and you think the market has to do something, you're gonna over leverage yourself. You're gonna probably overtrade, maybe marry a trade, or whatever the case may be. Those PPP, and you're gonna find yourself in a position that you could have completely avoided. And I think that comes when everyone is so like determined to find a correlation, to find that extra indication or confirmation of it not playing out. Bro, price action is all you need. Here's the horns for the TP2. Like, you don't need to confirm it with something else. Like, look at what you're looking at and analyze it individually for what it's given you. I think that super underrated, man. And like, people are so scared to strip everything away from their charts and just like pay attention to market structure and price action. But I think that, like, if that works for you and you're making money, then don't let me steer you away. I'm just giving you like my personal opinion on how I feel about that, because it's crazy. I get that every single day. Like, it's like, Oh, did you look at the dollar index, or did you compare it to this? Like, I'm looking at GJ, or I'm looking at gold. I don't look at other stuff. I don't care. I could care less. I could care less. Like, my analysis is on the pair that I'm trading. You know, I don't mess with that foo-foo stuff. Yeah, we're still on phase one. Let's say these questions are related to prop firm trading and time restrictions. Oh, I have no idea, bro. Like, I know Blue Guardian doesn't have, like, we can hold trades over the weekend. There's no restrictions. You can use EAs. You can trade cryptos. You can trade the assets it offers. But I mean, I'm only on basically gold and GJ, like currency and indices. That's what I focus on, or commodities with gold. So I don't trade like stocks on it. Do you have a specific strategy you use or no? Yeah, I do, 100%. 100%. I mean, so for the London session, I'm using breakout strategy. If I don't see opportunity with breakout because we have a huge range, then I know within that range there's going to be smaller opportunities. So I look for break and retest on the 5-minute, which we found here. Now it dipped a little lower, which is perfectly fine. Price doesn't go to exact, like, it's just, that's the way it moves. For my US 30 New York strategy, I have a specific 1-minute scalp strategy for that. Then I have swing trading, where I'm focused on price points, and is literally just following market structure and trends on a higher time frame. On your EU trade, do you move stop loss to break even when at TP1 also? Yes, 100%. At TP1, I move my stops to break even and take partials. Always. Like, my number one rule is don't lose, like, protect account capital. Number 2 rule is don't lose money. So at TP1, I'm no longer risking. You recommend being on charts for 10 hours on charts, and what is the maximum trades per day? No, hell no. 10 hours is crazy. That's a long time, bro. Like, I don't even like to be on the charts that long. Like, usually the longest I'm in is during these sessions when I'm trading. Like, we'll be on for 3-4 hours. But if you're talking about analyzing a pair, bro, it takes me fucking less than 5 minutes to do analysis, and that's it. Just wait for your entry to trigger, and then read the price action when prices reached your entry point, and make a determination whether you're going to get in or not. Like, that's it. And how many maximum trades a day? Like, you shouldn't be looking at it like that. Like, first of all, like, for example, for me, I take the number 2, right? But usually I just need 1, and I'm like, I win and I'm done. But I'll take maybe 3 to 5 trades a week. Okay, like a week, 3 to 5 trades a week. Okay, I don't trade Mondays and Fridays. I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I'll take 3 to 5 trades a week. Like, that's it. Like, not anything huge. As far as per session goes, like, I'll take 1 trade. Now, if I have a second chance opportunity, meaning I see something in the charts that is indicating to me that, okay, maybe I was way too early, I missed an entry or misread an entry, and really that entry was later, kind of like this situation, then I will allow myself a second chance trade to take that second chance, right? If I lose both of those, then I'm done for the session. Now, if I win one, the only reason I would take another one is if there was a pullback and it's following market structure and it's a high probability, then I would take it. But for the most part, like, I'll just take the win and I'm done. Like, I don't like to test myself to see the longer you're on the charts, the more susceptible you are to give that money back. Like, if I made money, I'm out. Hopefully that clears that up. W, yes sir. Hey, still question, but do you use breakout strategy on Euro USD New York session? You can, but I don't. On New York session, I'm only trading US 30. Like I don't mess with anything else. I used to in the past, but I don't need to, man. My US 30 strategy is phenomenal, and like it does way better than like the gains that I make off US 30. I mean, it's an indices extremely volatile, so like it's I could just do New York sessions and that's it. Like I'm literally only doing London sessions for this Blue Guardian challenge, and like I'll take the trade sometimes on my personal account. Sometimes I forget to take it, but like when I remember, I took the GJ trade. Both of them actually, the first L and then the second one, and the second one I already took partials, and it's running in profit right now. So it is what it is. Bro, I was in a group with guys that were on the charts for literally 10 to 12 hours Monday through Friday. That's crazy, man. I mean, you know, the I forget what movie it is, but he says, I remember my first beer. But yeah, I remember when I first got on the charts, like, bro, whenever I first started trading, I remember I was like super exhausted, and I stayed on the charts for like 3 days straight. And like I was just at my desk, and I would just like bring like food and stuff, and I was like I really wanted to put in the time. Like I was in my mind, I was like, I need to put in the time, right? Like, so like I got on there, and I was like on there for like 4 days straight, and it did nothing for me. Like it just made me exhausted. Like I lost sleep, I felt like crap, and I crashed and ended up sleeping for like 2 days straight. Like it's not feasible for you to do that. Now, I like to sometimes look at the charts and then just go down my watch list and just look at patterns, and just look at like I'll mark stuff up. Like I'll just go down this watch list and just look at the pattern stuff and mark stuff up, and then I'll go back to it later and see how things played out. But it's just at this level, it's kind of pointless, because like I'm focused on just a handful of pairs. GJ Gold, US 30, my go-tos. And then I have the USD base pairs, Euro AUD, USD JPY. Most of these are USD base pairs, the common pairs, right? So the majors, right? So I don't really have like the necessity to be like on the charts forever, and I don't like to, if the setup's not there, if it looks weird, like I'll just come back later. I'll wait for the daily to close. You know, I know the market is gonna change at a certain time, and I wait for that. I'll wait for the next session. Oh, New York was crappy, let's see what Asian looks like, or Asian's crappy, let's see what London looks like. And for the most part, I don't trade Asian. I'm usually just trading London and New York. The only times you'll find me like send out a trade, or like send out a signal or trade idea in my group in Asian session is because I'm doing a swing trade, and I was waiting on a price point. Like for example, this Euro USD, I was waiting for this zone. I had this zone marked up since over here, which was June 15th, basically, yeah, middle of June, right? So I had been waiting diligently for this thing to come back, and it finally got here, and boom, I just executed. I sent this out, and this I actually sent out yesterday while we were in the London session. I sent this out, and I shared it with the free Telegram, because this is for the VIP, but I shared it with the free Telegram, and people took that, and we're still running in profit. So with TP1 consolidating a bit, almost a TP2, and I mean, I feel like this is gonna come correct and push up even higher. But anyways, I think that like you shouldn't take what I do and try to emulate that. I think you should just take the pieces that resonate with you, whether you want to trade London session or New York session or gold or US 30 or whatever, and focus on those things, and just focus on those things till you get better. Don't look at other stuff. If you're not consistently making profits right now, stop looking at multiple pairs. Don't look at the US pairs. Don't have a watch list. Like clear that shit out. Have one and just look at that and keep looking at that. And if it doesn't, if you look at the chart and doesn't give you anything, any indication of a market structure or a direction, anything like that, go up to the daily, see what that looks like, and then wait for that candle to close, come back the next day, and then come back, look at it the daily, look at it the 4 hour, look at it the 1 hour, look at the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 5, and you start noticing the way it moves, right? I would definitely, say that would be more to your benefit than putting in 10-12 hours on the chart. Like, clear that shit out, clear all the indicators, just simply clean price action on the chart, looking at the daily. That's why I have this one. Like, I just love coming to look at the daily here and see every day what happens, what happened before, what happened the previous day. This tells you so much. Like, this is all you need, man. Sorry, I went on a little bit of a tangent there, but hopefully you guys understand what I'm talking about. You're a beast on New York US 30. Appreciate it, brother. We rarely miss. Yeah. Are you using 1 minute strategy on US 30? I am. Please continue to live stream forever. You're a good trader. Made me good money today. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah. I'll be doing these live streams on London till TRADINGNUT kicks us off, or we finish this challenge. This has been a little more difficult challenge than like if I was just taking this without doing the live streaming, just because first of all, I've been limited to London sessions, and then it's like I only traded one session a day, and it's only 3 times a week, and then avoiding news and all that stuff. So it's been a little more difficult than I would have liked it, and it's been going longer than I would have liked it. I mean, where it's like 60 something days. If I was to take like the swing trades that I have and incorporate it into that challenge, like, I think we would have been done a long time ago. And I think 100% if I was to trade it during New York and trade the US 30 on it, like, I would have been done a long time ago for sure. But because of kind of the constraints that we have, where I want to trade it with all of you guys and give you guys the opportunity to follow along, to be able to, pass your own challenge account, following along with the trades that I'm trading, then it would be awesome to do London. The only horrible part about that was, like, a month into trading it, the past month, London session has been crap, and I've been like just literally scraping by, like getting little plays here and there, but it hasn't really been to my liking, But that's just the market. The market will move like that, and you'll get it back into a trendy move, and as long as you catch that move where the direction it's going, then you'll be all good and it should be fine. But now, kind of where you see us is climbing back from that hole right now. Like, we were down, I don't know, like over 4%, and we've brought it back to we're down 2.5% now. So it's just kind of a like just a way to look at things, to understand that the market moves in phases, and if it's not moving to your liking, just give it a little bit and it'll get back into that groove. So don't force yourself into trades, and stick to your rules and stuff. But I think, we've been doing a good job so far. Like it's slow, but the good thing is we have the unlimited time on the challenge account, so we'll keep on keeping on. I wonder how the other people. I saw there's like new people streaming now on TradingNut's channel. I don't know if the other people passed their challenge or they already felt it. So we'll see. Yo, what up, CJ? You got a hoodie on today? Fit Coast Call, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym after this session before New York, and I wear a hoodie when I go to the gym. So, do you ever live stream US 30 Lore? Would love to see how you trade it. Yeah, well, I just do it on Zoom right now. I had done it in the past on my YouTube channel, but I've just been like really wanting to jam in the morning, and YouTube takes me down when I play music. So if you go to this link right here on the screen, this is the free Telegram. Join that free Telegram, and that's where I'll be sending out the Zoom link this morning for New York session, which will be in about like 5 hours, give or take. So I'm going to go ahead and jump off, guys. I think I answered everybody's questions. Hopefully got to everybody's comments. Everything. Nice. We got a homie. What? Sorry, I got comments over here on my channel that I'm reading. We got Tony Gold. He said he's finally funded and he's getting his second payout today. Awesome. Horns for Tony Gold. I know Tony. He's been on my lives for quite some time. I'm happy to see that you're finally funded and making that money, brother. Awesome. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and jump off, guys. It's been a pleasure. We're done for this week. I'll be live for New York session for US 30. If you want to join us on the Zoom, make sure you're joining the free Telegram on the screen. The link is here. The link is right here. Go to that link, join the free Telegram, and I'll be live in about 5 hours. Do me a favor, guys, if you learned anything today, if you liked the stream, if you made some money with me, be sure to hit that like button. Let's show TradingNut's channel some love. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys next week. I don't trade on Fridays, but I will be live next week, Tuesday, London session, same time, same place. And if you want to, though, I'll be live for New York on the Zoom. Just you got to join the Telegram so you can get that link. But otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and hop off. And yeah, thanks for joining, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Much love. Peace.